नमस्ते दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है साड़ा क्लासेस में। आज हम क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड से कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। जैसे कि हमें पता है कि क्वांट्स इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पोर्शन इन एनी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन एंड इट इज द मोस्ट हाई स्कोरिंग पोर्शन आल्सो because it requires only your basic numerical and mathematical skills like from class 6 to class 10. So if your mathematical skills are clear, uh, mathematical concepts are clear, then you can easily solve such questions. Okay, so people are used to get a good enough score to increase their total marks. So let's start with the first problem. तो यहाँ पर बोला गया है the price of a certain television set is discounted by 10% and the reduced price is then discounted by 10% again. This series of successive discounts is equivalent to a single discount of what? So let the marked price is X rupees. Now the first discount is of 10%, therefore the selling price will be X minus X into 10%. That means 9X by 10. Then on this selling price, the shopkeeper give another discount of 10%. So the final selling price is 9x by 10 minus 9x by 10 into 10%, and this is nothing but 81x by 100. Okay, so this is the selling price, and this is the final selling price, but we need to find that this series of successive discount is equivalent to a single discount. We need a single discount. And how can we evaluate that? The mark price is X and now the selling price is 81x divided by 100. So the discounted amount is X minus 81x divided by 100 and the percentage is X minus 81x divided by 100 into 100. That means 19x divided by 100 into 100, or 100 divided by x, therefore our required percentage is 19%. Hence option B is the correct answer. Now let's see the next question. A shopkeeper bought pens at the rate of 7 for 10 and sell them at a profit of 40%. How many pens would a customer get for 10 rupees? So a shopkeeper bought pens at the rate of 7 for 10 and profit is 70%. Sorry, 40%. 7 for 10 and profit is 40%. So the value of the cost price of each pen is equals to 10 by 7. Now the profit on each pen is 40% of the cost price. That means 4 by 7. Okay, so this is the profit on each pen. Therefore, the selling price is cost price plus profit. That means 14 divided by 7 is equals to 2. So this is the selling price for one pen. Therefore, in 10 rupees, one can get 5 pen. So option C is the correct answer. So we have successfully solved 2 questions based on quants. And that's all for today. So if you want to know more about quantitative aptitude, then you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us in these 2 numbers, 9836793076 and 98748222756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.saurabhsclasses.com. Thank you very much.